Hello YouTube, in today's video I'll be showing you how to bind your keybinds on your Oculus controller to your PC so you can play any sound in-game. For example, by pressing like your right grip button, it'll play audio, or pressing your right joystick, which it could be any button that you want. So if you want to ghost roll in Gorilla Tag or use it in other games, you can too. And it's very simple. So to start off, the first thing you're going to need is a Voicemod. You can use Soundpad, but Soundpad only has like 10 audios you can play, and then after that you have to restart it. So Voicemod is better, which you can find the link in the description of the video for the Voicemod. It's a voicemod.net, and then you can press the download for free. Go ahead and run that once you download it, and then whenever you have it, go to the third option right here, Soundboards. But this is where you can find your soundboards, which I already do have one right here. But if you don't have one, like a downloaded file already, press add, and then you can search through the community stuff right here. Just press sounds, and then you can search whatever you want. So the boom I have, you can just search like Vine boom, and then it should show, and then you can go ahead and add that. And that's basically it for adding the soundboards. You just add as many as you want, and you can change it anytime. After that, go ahead, go to the settings right here, and then you need to change your input from your normal mic and your normal headset to your Oculus, and then Oculus if you hear your Oculus. If you're using like headphones or anything in game, just select that way you can hear it yourself. And that's basically all you need to do on Voicemod. Now next thing you're gonna need is OpenVR2 key. I put the link in the description as well for all the files and stuff. You can find it in the description. Go ahead, press the zip file and download that, and then whenever you have that, right click it and then press extract all. But you can go to open that, and then you'll see everything right here. You'll see OpenVR2key.exe, which will open that in just a minute. Before we go to the game though, go ahead, open Steam, and then go to Steam VR, and go ahead, run that real quick. You could be in game also if you want, but press the 3 lines right here and then press settings, which since I'm not in game right now, I think you do have to be on Oculus for the show. Go ahead and open Steam VR or PC VR on your Oculus, and then you should see change your input from Oculus to the Voicemod. Another thing you could do is go to sound settings on your PC and change it from your Oculus or from your normal mic to Voicemod. You may have to do both of them, so if it doesn't work for just changing the Steam VR, change it on your sound settings and that should fix it. And once you do that, you're basically done with this. Now go ahead and open your PC VR. Alright, now I'm in VR. If you don't know how to do Steam VR or link your PC to your Oculus, I posted a tutorial on my second channel. I'll leave it all in the description so you can find it there. Just go to my second channel and it should be the newest video. Go ahead, load up PC VR. Wait for that to load, and then go ahead, load up Gorilla Tag. You're gonna have to be in VR to be able to do it, which I'm just gonna go into Gorilla Tag. I think you should be able to do it on this page right here, or like the Steam VR page. But going in Gorilla Tag is easier, so you can test it in there right away. Alright, I'm now in game. So the next thing you need to do, go ahead, go back to your PC, which I'm gonna go and put my controllers down. Now go ahead, open the OpenVR2 key right here, the one that you downloaded, and then give it a second. It should show status connected, and then as well this. If it doesn't, try to open and close the application right here, or make sure you're in PC VR, and then it will show. You can also do some settings like minimize on launch, exit with Steam VR, do haptic pulse, whatever you want to enable. But now that we have that connected, go ahead, grab your controller, whatever button you want to do it on, which I'm going to be using my right controller on the joystick button. When you hold it down on the active input, it should show right here. So I have R3, which is the joystick. When I click it, it will show. Go ahead, find out on the keys, which if I scroll down is right here. And then on the unbound key, whatever key you want the soundboard to be on your PC. So like keybind O, or if you want it to be like a slash or something, do whatever you want to do. I'm going to do O for me. And then now that's done, go ahead, go back to Voicemod. And then on your soundboard, press add keybind, and I'm going to do O again. And there we go. That's basically everything you have to do. So now if I minimize these and I go in game and I press the joystick, there we go. And you can also change the button if you want to do like right grip, which I'm going to do that real quick. So if you want to change it, press clear, and then whatever button you want to put it on, which it would be right grip, so R10, which would be right here, keybind, set it to O. And then now if I go back in game and press right grip, oh, I just realized also, sometimes it gets stuck on red. If it does, press like a different button, and then it'll go back to normal. Then you can use it. Alright, right grip. There we go. You can also do other sounds like Daisy09 or any ghost trolling if you want to do that. But this is very useful for those who want to troll in game with it. If you need any help, you can join my Discord. I'll leave it link in the description. There's a modding help channel, also just a general chat if you want to message there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.